That's my best friend. That's my best friend.
Good morning, everybody. It's your boy Dave Mo Flips. You already know what it is. So before we get into that profit or loss video, I want to show you, I want to apologize, one, for not putting out content as much as I should have this last week. And number two, I want to apologize, but I want to show you why. All right, so I'm at my home. We're living behind this barrier here, okay? But let me show you, this is my home. This is how we're living. So, you know, this is, well, here, I'll just take you down there. This happened in October, freshwater flood. Not gonna take too much time with it. Freshwater flood, insurance company didn't want to pay, or they wanted to pay partial. This was the laundry. This was a little closet. This was the bathroom. That's the original piece that broke. That's the master bathroom. So we come over here. This was obviously the living space, right? Dining room. This is my kitchen. I had two gables that come down here and then over there. So those have now been removed. You could see that. So they put this tarp up. That's all we have. No range, no oven, no sink, no nothing. Coming over this way. I'm gonna take you into the master bedroom, what used to be my bedroom. This is it. As we come in here, this was the bathroom. I had beautiful vanity. You know, you can see the outline of beautiful vanity here. Big old garden tub, stand-up shower. But anyway, so I'm going back and forth with the attorney, the mold and water mediation company, and the insurance company. Not to mention getting estimates every day on how to fix this. All right, so that's why I kind of haven't been releasing content. And guys, I want to be honest with you right now. This is why this channel is going to move into a kind of, not different direction, but we're going to add more content to it. You guys, a lot of you guys listen to guys like Dave Ramsey and stuff like that who are so anti-credit. And I get where they're coming from. But in this situation that I'm going through right now as a homeowner, if my insurance company decided to fuck me over and not pay for any of this, all this is going to be credit-based repair. I don't have the 170, whatever the estimates have been, right? They've all been above 70 in cash laying around to do it. Do I have some of it? Absolutely. Do I have to take the whole thing out on loan? Nah, not really. Could I do it piece by piece and slowly take my time? Sure, I could if I want to continue to live like this, but I don't. So if the insurance company ended up not paying anything or whatever, blah, 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 or you don't have insurance, or something like that just happens, this is where your credit's gonna come into play big time, okay? So you're paying off and closing down credit cards and tanking that score, tanking it, right? Because you're gonna be a cash only guy or girl. Shit like this happens. This is called life, okay? Life happens. And sometimes when life happens, you don't have the cash stacked. You know, your little $1,000 emergency fund, your little $10,000 emergency fund, even if you had 100 grand, you're gonna blow it right now, all of it? No, you're going to take out a loan. And without your FICO score, without your 3 credit bureau scores, without having those scores up there, your interest rate's gonna be through the roof. Or you might not even get approved. Anyways, guys, enough of that. Let's get to the real reason why you guys came to see this video, right? That Honda Civic. It was a 2006 Honda Civic, the white one. Hopefully I can figure out how to put it in here. The one that just got detailed. So, we were into that car, if you recall, for $700, right? Needed the motor. Motor. Guys, what's up? Dave Mo Flips. You already know what it is. I apologize about yesterday. Halfway into the recording, I had a phone call. I had to take it. Then the guys showed up to do more work at the house, and the day just continued to go that way. They ended up having me go pick out countertops, and we still got to, it's just, it is what it is. If you've been through this, you've been through this. If not, it's a headache. It seems like it's a lot of fun, but it's a headache. So, 2006 Honda Civic. Here's the deal. $700 for the car. Total breakdown, $700 for the car. $450 for the motor. That puts us at $1,150. $50 for fluids. That puts us at $1,200. $50 for the radiator. That puts us at $1,250. Installation puts us at, was $400. Puts us at $1,650. Sold that car for $2,750. $1,100 in 2 weeks. I'm not mad. I'm very grateful. I did think that car would sell in 3 days. It took a little bit longer. Did I give it away? Yes. I gave it away, but I still made $1,100, but I gave it away. That car goes for about $35 to $4,000 in this area. And I ended up selling it for $27.50 in my pocket. My motto really is just to get them gone. It's one of the upsides of not owning a dealership and just paying $350 a month. So it doesn't matter. I don't have to get top dollar for the vehicles. I can just let them go the way I did. Now, if I had, a bunch of overhead and stuff like that, I probably would have held out for the 35 or the $4,000. But my situation, I don't care. I'll just let it go. Oh, and then there was $50 for the headliner. So it was $10.50 profit. $10.50 profit. I apologize, guys. I want to keep it 100 with you guys. $10.50 profit. I'm stoked. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like I'm really happy with that number. I just want to know, how can I sell 10 of them, right? Because for me, the goal is to sell 10 $1,000 profit cars and make $10,000 a month from selling cars. That's the goal. You know what I mean? Whether I do it buy here, pay here, whether I do it through financing, whether I do it with cash cars, it doesn't matter. I want to sell 10 cars. Well, I want to make $10,000 a month. I don't care if I sell 5 cars and make $10,000 a month. I don't care if I sell 20 cars. Well, that would kind of suck. But you guys get what I'm saying, all right? Also, something to keep in mind that we're going to focus on in the upcoming videos. Everyone's out here talking about this passive income, passive income, passive income. Guys, as car dealers, we have passive income, okay? It's called buy here, pay here. You buy, what is that fucking thing? A Honda Santa Fe. All right, little SUV. You pick one up for about $1,000, okay? You get $1,000 down for the car plus tax, title, registration, and you bang it out at $75 a week for 52 weeks. It's like $3,600 that you're going to make on top of the $1,000 that they put down. We'll get into that. But any which way, when you start getting people paying you $75 a week, right? You put 10 of them on. That's $750 a week, which turns out to be $3,000 a month. That's $3,000 a month. You have passive income coming into you. Depending on your area, like in Tampa, it's 80% success rate. Let's get into that later. I apologize, guys. $10.50 on that Civic. Love it. I'm okay with it. I wish it was faster. How can I get to doing at least 10 of those a month? And we're going to move on. All right? As I said to you guys in the beginning, I'm sorry that it's been taking me so long to do videos. I'm going through some stuff in my personal life, for my home. But first and foremost, I want to say this. I want to reiterate, if I didn't say it in the other video, I'm blessed, okay? There's a lot of people that are living under bridges. There's a lot of people living in much worse conditions. I have a roof over my head. I have safety and security, all right? So don't think for a second that I don't know that I'm blessed, all right? Guys, listen, every dark cloud has a silver lining. It's up to you to find the lining. If you can only focus on that dark cloud, that's all you're ever going to see, and it's never going to look good to you. Start to change the way you're thinking. Look for the silver cloud, the silver lining. And when you find it, stay focused on it. I know that house is going to come back. And until it does, I know I'm safe. I'm not getting wet in the rain. I'm not living under a bridge. My family is safe, doing all right. It's inconvenient. It's not the end of the world. As far as this car thing is concerned, things go slow, things go fast. It'll all come out and even out at the end of the year. It's not a problem. All right? It's your boy Dave Mo. Guys, I appreciate you watching. I appreciate you subscribing. I'm in your car. Hit 2,000 by September 1st. This will be someone's car. Still driving it. All right? Get at me. Leave a comment. Subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. I'll talk to you in the next one.
That's my best friend.